Heavy fog clung to the cobblestones as Mira wandered the unfamiliar streets, her lantern casting a trembling circle of light. The city was silent, every doorway shuttered, every window dark. Yet from somewhere above the mist, chimes rang out, soft, deliberate, impossibly clear. Mira paused, heart quickening. The sound didn't come from any church she could see, nor did it match the hour. Still, she felt compelled, each note a gentle tug at her heart, pulling her forward. She followed, the chimes weaving through narrow alleys and between shadowed houses, leading her deeper into the labyrinthine streets. At a small, forgotten square, the fog parted just enough to reveal an ancient bell tower, its silhouette stark against the moonless sky. The heavy wooden door stood ajar, though no one waited within. The chimes sounded once more, echoing down the spiral stairs inside. Mira climbed cautiously, every step echoing in the stillness, her breath shallow. At the top, she found only an old, dust-covered bell, still untouched. The air was thick and silent as she reached out her hand. The chimes ceased. In the sudden quiet, Mira smiled softly, understanding. Sometimes the path itself is the answer we seek.